Here are 100 words in English and an example for each. Be. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. Have. She has a dog. She has a dog. Do. They do their work every day. They do their work every day. Say. Say. He says he likes chocolate. He says he likes chocolate. Get. We get up early every morning. We get up early every morning. Make. She makes a cake for her sister's birthday. She makes a cake for her sister's birthday. Go. They go to the gym 3 times a week. They go to the gym 3 times a week. Know. He knows how to speak English. He knows how to speak English. Take. She takes a shower every morning. She takes a shower every morning. See. We see a lot of birds in our garden. We see a lot of birds in our garden. We see a lot of birds in our garden. We see a lot of birds in our garden. Come. They come to our house for dinner every Saturday. They come to our house for dinner every Saturday. Think. I think it's going to rain today. I think it's going to rain today. Look. She looks at the stars every night. She looks at the stars every night. Want. He wants to go to the beach. He wants to go to the beach. Give. We give our old clothes to charity. We give our old clothes to charity. Use. They use a computer at work. They use a computer at work. Find. She finds a new job. She finds a new job. Tell. He tells his children a story before bed. He tells his children a story before bed. Ask. We ask our neighbors to water our plants when we are away. We ask our neighbors to water our plants when we are away. Work. They work in a bank. They work in a bank. Seem. It seems like a good idea. It seems like a good idea. Feel. She feels tired after work. She feels tired after work. Try. He tries to exercise every day. He tries to exercise every day. Leave. They leave their house early in the morning. They leave their house early in the morning. Call. She calls her mother every Sunday. She calls her mother every Sunday. Good. The food tastes good. The food tastes good. New. She bought a new car. She bought a new car. First. He's the first person to arrive. He's the first person to arrive. Last. We are the last ones to leave. We are the last ones to leave. Long. Long. The movie is very long. The movie is very long. Great. The concert was great. The concert was great. The concert was great. Little. She has a little brother. She has a little brother. Own. He owns a business. He owns a business.
Other.
They go to the other side of the city. They go to the other side of the city. Old. The house is very old. The house is very old. Right. She's right about the answer. She's right about the answer. She's right about the answer. Big. He has a big house. He has a big house. High. The mountain is very high. The mountain is very high. Different. They have different opinions. They have different opinions. Small. She lives in a small apartment. She lives in a small apartment. Large. He has a large family. He has a large family. Next. We're the next ones in line. Next ones in the line. We're the next ones in the line. Early. She wakes up early every morning. She wakes up early every morning. Young. He's very young. He's very young. Important. It's important to be on time. To be on time. Few. We have a few apples left. We have few apples left. Public. She works in the public sector. She works in the public sector. She works in the public sector. Bad. He had a bad day at work. He had a bad day at work. Or he had a bad day at work. Same. They have the same car. They have the same car.